And today is Dhanteras, the festival of Dhanteras, and demand is picking up. So let's take a look now at what's trending this year.
Here's wishing all our viewers a very happy Dhanteras. We of course are at the markets, at jewelry stores to get a sense of the festive demand this Dhanteras. Of course, we also need to now analyze and see whether this Dhanteras is better than 2019, than the pre-COVID levels or not.
This year I am looking for something that's going to last long, like heritage, and something nice for this Diwali, so that we celebrate it very nicely.
I'm buying this chain because I wanted it, plus it is auspicious to buy on the day, so that's why.
Auspicious to buy on this day. What about you?
I am buying some rings, and everything is going back to normal. Offices are opening, so this is the time that we are thinking that we should invest in some new jewelry.
All right. What about you, ma'am?
I am buying rings, one diamond, one gold.
Okay.
And I am happy nowadays because this is our culture also, and the pandemic is going down. It's a great pleasure for all of us.
So a lot of people are also increasingly talking about digitization, about being able to buy gold online, and many are even saying this Dhanteras maybe they'll just celebrate by buying something online. So how come you're here, and do you prefer this medium or would you go the digital way?
This medium more than the digital one, because that takes time also to get delivered, then you have to try and you may not like it. Here we can see in first hand only whatever we like.
Yeah. Plus, it's a whole experience. As we said, this whole thing we have been doing before, and pandemic was a break in between. Now we want to go back to our original life, the way we always lived. So Dhanteras has always been this day that we used to come and we used to shop. So we want to resume that again.
How is this Dhanteras really different? What are the new trends that you're witnessing this Dhanteras?
Small earrings, rings, chains and all.
Okay. So you're seeing minimalistic jewelry really trending. Is demand the same as the 2019 level, for instance?
नहीं, वो चीज़ तो अब नहीं है. People love to buy chains, light jewelries more, because पहले diamonds और पोल्की इन सब चीज़ों में था तो काफ़ी डाउन है, बट मुझे लगता है कि अगर कोविड दोबारा नहीं आता है तो एक अच्छा स्टार्ट हो सकता है आगे.
All right, so as you can hear all of them telling us in a sense that of course they can see gradual normalcy, they can see people coming in to enjoy, people coming in to of course be there for the festive season, but of course things are not the same as the pre-COVID era. Of course, the hope continues that we will win this battle against COVID-19 and the festive season will be joyous for everyone. With camera person Shashikant, Sakshi Bajaj for NDTV.